I'm no commercial photographer, but if you were to ask me what the best way to improve your imagery was, it's research. Research, research. I've wanted to shoot in a garage for some time now, and as such, I've built up quite the library of stock imagery to help me visualise what I want to shoot. This year, my editor asked me for a cover image of a Porsche. This one, actually. And now, as soon as I found out that this Porsche was inside a garage, I knew that I had to shoot it. And with that library, I managed to visualise the shoot ahead of time and actually work out the shoot. Now, this is by far my favourite shot that I've done to date, purely because the execution was exactly how I wanted it. Alright, you guys asked for it, so let's show you the build process of how I made this image. The gear used for this shoot was pretty straightforward. I just had a Canon 5D Mark III along with a 24mm f2.8 IS lens. The lens was set to manual focus, aperture f8, ISO 100, set to bulb, triggered with an intervalometer, and then lit with my CP MTL2 light. Pretty straightforward, really. Hopefully you guys found that useful and some interesting tips in there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, give me a comment. And if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.